In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the fuel door on this Ford Ranger. Let's get started. To do this, we'll have to open the door, but not here all the way, a little bit past its normal opening point. Right back there, you'll see two 8mm bolts. We're going to have to remove those to pull the door off. To do this, I'm going to use a long extension so I can reach in there. I'm going to leave this one partially threaded in. Try this one again. There we go. All right, and there's your door. At this point, you would take your new fuel door cap, and if you didn't want to paint it, you could just leave it black. However, for the purposes of this video, because the old one is in good condition and I want it color matched to the vehicle, I'm going to reuse it. The process, however, will be exactly the same even if you were to install this new one, paint it or not. Now take your new door, and with it in the open position, have a bolt ready, and let's re-secure it. Don't tighten that one all the way because the door still has to move around in order to line up the second one. Once you have both in, tighten them up. At this point, you want to make sure that it lines up before you finalize everything. As you can see here, it's a little bit offset. So what I'm going to do is switch over to a manual ratchet so that I can control how far this bolt comes out. And I'm going to pivot the entire door down so that it can line up properly. So loosen this up as well. Okay, that's as much as that's going to move. Tighten these back up. That's better. There you have it.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.